So yesterday we have discussed about like some features, so that we have discussed about some features still like Android 7.0 features still that we discussed, right? So today we will concentrate on Android 8.0 features. So this is an Android Oreo. So in this, there are like major features to be available. So first of all, in this, the redesign. So the completely redesign of settings menu. Previously, it could not be in a proper order. Now it is splitted into a proper order, like all network related in one place, all audio related in one place, like based on the category. So the menu has adjusted completely. So that will be done here in this. So that is first one. The next is the revamped file manager. So that is like so the file manager getting my device back just because power is connected, not disconnected. I think yeah. So like this is like file manager. So the file manager previously the file manager will be in a different format, like means there are not proper structure and all. So now this is the based on the content wise, the separate folders will be created for this. So that is updated here in this. Next is the battery saving for background restrictions. So that is the like where the background activities will be there. So for those background, it will be the batteries completely is restricting. Like for example, like where the mobile data is using more. So on such cases, like because when GPS is capturing continuously, so like those cases, like what happens when you set up the navigation. So even though if it is in a backup background, also it will be captured the more mobile data, right? So on those cases, it will be updated. Like majority of those cases, it will be consuming the very less battery. So that one is updated in this. Next is the snooze. So snooze individual notifications. Let us say, for example, now I have received one notification. So, but that notification is important for me, but that I cannot reply. So that what happens, I swipe from left to right. So automatically after 15 minutes, that will be trigger as a new notification. So that is a one benefit for the user. It will be one advantage. And this version onwards fingerprint made mandatory. So fingerprints made mandatory, like every version. It should be the mandatory of fingerprint. So that is updated in this feature. So next is the turn on Wi-Fi automatically. So based on the location, let us say I have Wi-Fi connectivity in home and office. So maybe like my traveling time may take like from office to home to office, like it will take 1 hour to 2 hours like that. So at that time, it cannot search for the Wi-Fi because that in my settings, so that feature is enabled only on a specific areas. It will be done. It is like that is figure. Only specific areas it will search for the Wi-Fi. Other areas it cannot search for this. Next is the picture in picture. So picture in picture mode means like it is a very simple feature. For example, now, so if you open YouTube, I'm watching one video, but I want to search again some other video. When I try to search another video, that whatever the regular video that is playing, that will come on a bottom until I select other video or I just back button till that should be available in the bottom of the page, right? So that will be in a picture and picture mode. So this kind of thing we can use that we can use that. Next, it is the autofill filter. Click regularly. I'm doing some transactions by using the debit card or by using the credit card. So if I did any such kind of things, so or regularly I'm entering my user data. So any kind of activities are so that automatically that options will be enabled. So that will be here. This option will be enabled here. And the next is the rescue part. For example, suddenly my mobile got some issue. So my mobile got some issue. Just a minute. So this is the rescue part. For example, like when you do some, like my mobile got some issue, so that mobile having this issue, so maybe after some time it may like unfortunately it is crashing, it is restarting. So while restarting itself, if in case if it is any fatal issue like this from update kind of thing, so that automatically will be updated based on that. Automatically it will update. Maximum it will, that issue will be fixed then and there itself. Next is notification channel. So this notification channels is one of the main and important. Like previously when we got a normal normally like when it is in a number of message will display only the number of messages. But now, like for example, I have to set up the priority, like because there is a WhatsApp, there is a other notifications. So WhatsApp I give 31, but after that message will come first also, it should be on the top only, like that it will be displayed. So that is one. Next is the adaptive icons. So like adaptive icons is nothing but this is like a square. Whenever this kind of thing that is a square and circle, so those kind of messages will be displayed later on the stage. So that will be here one advantage of this means without installing the third-party application we can able to do that kind of activity. We can able.
Hello.
Yeah, so
Your voice is breaking too much, sir, actually.
okay, I lost power, so just I connected through mobile data, so maybe the reason it is happening like that. Now it is coming properly.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so if it is case, if you not able to hear, just let me know because just I connected the through mobile data.
Okay, okay.
Next is that is like Bluetooth range has increased. So next one is that Bluetooth range has increased because day by day the Bluetooth users are count as increasing, right? So that's the reason the Bluetooth range has increased here. This and the next is the tab navigation. So like how we are using the tab navigation uh, like in a browser, how we are using the multiple tabs. Similar way in mobile also in a Chrome browser you can use the multiple tabs. So that feature has introduced in this. And then next is like Wi-Fi away. So this Wi-Fi aware, like it is where you have the like in a multiple place. Yeah, now you are getting my voice. Yeah, Prabhakar. Now it is clear my voice.
Yeah, it's good.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, hello.
Okay.
Yes.
So like hello. Are you able to hear me,
Yeah, it's becoming. It's okay.
Prabhakar?
Yeah, hello, hello.
Yeah. Now you are
Um,
getting my voice clearer.
yeah. It's getting.
Okay. So like this Wi-Fi aware. So this is like the where open network is available now. So automatically it will connect with open network where it is any area automatically it will connect automatically when it is aware of that. When I'm traveling, like let us say railway station, bus station, where we have the open network, so automatically it will connect with that. So that is one feature is introduced in this. So these all are the features in like one more is new emojis because nowadays we are using a lot of emojis instead of sending the normal message we are using the emojis, right? So those features also introduced in this version. So these all are the benefits with this version. So the next version 9.0. So Android 9.0. So Android 9. So in this Android 9 also around it's 5 to 6 features will be there. So first one is the get your navigation. So like normally now we have the front back navigation keys we have, right? Instead of the front and back here we have that get like with finger if I touch left right, that kind of feature will be there, right? So that kind of things will be there in this version. So that is the first feature in this. And the next is the app action. So this app actions is the one of the interesting feature, like where users having that like for example on a daily basis same time I'm doing one same activity. Let us say for example every day 8 a.m. I'm traveling from my home to office. So that time I'm doing regularly, like I'm taking one cab or auto something. So when I do like that kind of activity, so it time when I unlock the mobile automatically it will show that particular app because daily at that time I'm using that. So that feature will be introduced in this version. And digital well-being. So this digital well-being also one of the advanced features of the digital well-being. Like how much time you spent on each activity. Like WhatsApp used 2 hours, Facebook used 5 hours. Like that, it will give in detail of that. It will give that complete menu of that. So that when it will give. So that is one. And new screenshot text like shortcut is created for the to capture the screenshot. So like from lock screen, once you enable that, so from there we will get that in detail of that, right? So that we have to capture it. Right. And then after that, so to attract the user, volume related also volume and volume and sound improvements, sound improvements also, sound improvements also done like to attract the user. So the base speakers and the other things will be updated here this and the selectable dark mode, like user whenever user want to select so that selectable dark mode we can enable that means like whenever you want dark mode like that you can have that, you have to capture that. So right, that is the things in this version. Any other features in this version? So that's all. Like more notification info, more notification info. Like when any notification will come, so the notification will contain 3 to 4 messages. So on the 3 to 4 messages, I can say like a simple way. I can say like this is hi, good morning, hello, how are you? Like I send 2 messages. It will show the latest message, complete information, in detail information. It will show without opening the complete message. I can able to read the notification. That is the The next is the Android 10.0. In this Android 10.0, first one is the dark mode. So previously the dark selectable dark mode, there is some issue. So that issue got resolved here. So the dark mode feature has introduced in this. Next, smart reply for all notifications. Like for example, I receive one notification. So without opening the entire application, you can smart reply for all messaging apps. Messaging apps. Without opening the full details, directly you can reply to that mail. That is the done. Next, a better sharing. Like I want to share one document. So once I click share that share menu, like once I click and share, automatically what are the shareable options will be available on that will be populate automatically. And also recently what I sent, like I have shared one document in WhatsApp, so the WhatsApp should come on the top, like that it will come this. Next is the focus mode. So this focus mode is the advanced version for the digital well-being. Previously, the digital well-being feature will be given in a normal information, like it will be like 2 or 3 hours, but it will give the graphical representation of that. For that, it will be given this. Next is the a standard text format. Like nowadays, a lot of people are editing the images in mobile itself. So for that, it giving the lot of text, standard text format, like without losing the pixelate. Even though in mobile itself, you can improve the and means you can modify the images. Next is the ORL permissions. So previously we discussed about the runtime permissions, but for example, in one application, I have 10 permissions. So user has to click one like 10 times. But from this version, so there is a one click automatically it can be enabled all the features, all the permissions. Wi-Fi sharing via QR. So without entering the password directly by clicking the by scanning the QR code, automatically you can connect the Wi-Fi. So these all are the features in this version. So like that is Android 10 version. These all are the features in this. Next, we will see in this anything we missed. Yeah, that's all from this version. Now we will see Android 11 features. So Android 11. In this 11, now first one is the built-in screen recording. So where user can record the screen directly, like previously when you want to record the screen, you have to install one third-party application, but now no need to go there. Directly can place this one, you can install that directly. We are getting the screen recording option, and user can set up one conversation. Like let us say I have created one group, or I want to daily chat with one person. So that particular tab you can create as a for new conversation. Only the particular chart will be available on this. Next is the smart home control. So like we can connect with the home control like speaker, AC, TV remote. So such kind of things we can connect from here. This is the one piece of this. Next is the prediction tools based on the usage. Like for example, how I'm using the phone. Daily I'm playing a game or I'm watching the videos. Based on that, it will give some predictions like the battery life, some other things. It will predict the based on that. It will give that. Then next, security. So lot of securities are introduced from the Play Store side, from the Play Store. Like for example, previous days when you want to upload the app into the Play Store, that very simple we can upload. But now it is not that much of easy. You have to add a lot of permissions, lot of things, and each if whenever you are taking any runtime permission, location permission, contacts permission, you have to give the full detailed description why you are taking that. In case if it is a valid reason, then only the Play Store will accept your app. Otherwise, it cannot accept it. Like that kind of lot of things will be included in this. So this is click here. Next, Android 12. So in this Android 12, so there are a lot of things will be here. So first one is that is the wallpaper based. Like whatever the wallpaper I set, based on the wallpaper based theme, automatically theme will be adjusted based on the wallpaper. So the theme will be adjusted like this. Next is the game dashboard, like who are record the games or you are the live display. Like lot of people are while playing, they are display are promoting as a live, right? So on a YouTube artist, so that kind of game dashboard feature has introduced in this. Next, quick tap. This is available previously on iOS 14. Like even double tap also, if I click, some menu will be open. So that quick tap feature is introduced in this. Next, direct share on recent. Like I want to share something. So once I click on share, automatically the recent, like in WhatsApp also it will come, whatever the last chat that will come in a recent of top to top that will come, right? So that will be here. And next is the privacy dashboard. So this privacy dashboard, like it will show like what is how much time you are spending on each app, so that it will give the detail like the location. Sorry, this is not that one. Location, like for how many apps you have given the runtime permissions, like location permission given for how many apps, other permission is given for how many, like that it will give the full speed this. Next, dim the screen. So this dim the screen feature is one of the interesting. Like when I set up the screen time, like my sleeping time, 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. So that time that it will go as a dim the screen. So it will consume very less battery. Also automatically the volume, call volume also will be little bit down. So that will be one feature. Next is the scrolling feature. Whenever I want to take the screenshot, but content is more than the screen size, so you can take the screenshot by scrolling the page itself. Also, you can take the screenshot so that the entire data will be available in this. So this is like Android 12. So the next 13, 14, 13 to 16. So those will discuss tomorrow. Like before the next class, you have to do one thing from here, like the Android Studio download. Just you can download and keep ready with us from here. Just you can download. Automatically, it will fetch the information related to your operating system. So that version, by clicking here, you can download that. So next installation process will be after that one session, 1.5 session, 1.5 hour means one hour, 1.5 hour we'll spend. After 1.5 hour, we will start with the programmatic sessions. Right? Hope it is clear. Are there any questions? So one more like announcement here. So today is the last demo session. So from tomorrow the link will change. So before that you have to pay the fee so that you will get a paid link. Right? Any other questions you have? That is clear. Prabhakar, how much?
No.
Okay, then we will meet 9, but tomorrow link will change. So before that you have to complete the key format so that we will start the session tomorrow night.